What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Looking all in my shower and whatnot. Yes, I'm in my Wendy robe. How you doing? AJ does Wendy sometime, and he got me this robe recently.
Say hello to our friend AJ GIbson. AJ!
Hey, Wendy.
I'm convinced it came from Wendy herself. Anyway, so today is a very exciting day. Basically, let me just give you a quick backstory. I didn't have many kids who lived on my street growing up, and I just didn't have that many friends growing up. So I played a lot of computer games. We don't need to go into my depressing childhood. It was a magical time, honestly. I played a lot of Sims. I played Oregon Trail. I played typing games. Point being, I enjoyed it. I had fun. Anyway, like some kids would get invited to sleepovers or over to a friend's house. That didn't really happen for me, so I never really had a proper sleepover. You know, I always saw it on TV and in movies. I didn't get that. So I had this idea, and I was like, I am going to invite a couple friends over and have my first ever sleepover. Okay, now keep in mind, I don't want to make it seem like there were no kids on my street. There were kids on my street, and I did have friends who lived right across the street from me. The only thing is, every time I made friends with the kids across the street, we would become so close, and then usually within the next year, they would disappear. When I say disappear, I mean, the house across the street from me was a foster house. So pretty much my friends would get adopted or they would get moved to another foster home, and I usually didn't get to say goodbye. So yeah. But regardless, I'm gonna have my first sleepover. It's time. Okay, so they're on the way, so now it's time to build the tent. I don't know how to build a tent. Okay, so Jackie and Drew are almost here. I have the snacks ready, I have the drinks ready, I have the games ready, the activities. Oh, and I have a special little surprise for them. Onesies! All right, so before they get here, let me give you a quick tour. So AJ did all of our Christmas decorations this year. And this is our tree. We have the twinkle lights. I have the fireplace on the TV. I have a little tent set up with all of the sleeping bags and whatever. And there's the onesies. Oh, and games. Oh, and there's food in the fridge. So Jackie and Drew just got here for my first sleepover ever. Hi! Why are y'all so creepy?
Because we're like camera in my face.
Are you excited?
We don't know what to expect, really.
Okay, come on in.
Okay. Is that a freaking tent? That's oh my gosh!
Oh, Emile, that's
Come
so
on.
cute.
Come into my home.
Oh.
You see? Wait, I am done. Wait, I am so happy.
That's so cute, Emile.
And there's
Please tell me you
bags.
had a tent before.
We had a tent before, yes.
Okay.
But there's sleeping bags inside and pillows.
My goodness.
And then I have games, Monopoly Ultimate Banking. And
it really feels like we're camping with a fire.
your onesie.
Oh, Emile.
So cute.
One for you.
Oh, Thank you. This is honestly, like, I've never been to a sleepover like this. This is so, like, well thought out. So cute.
I have snacks and drinks and.
I think I'm gonna cry. I ordered pizza.
Oh, this lighting is not good. Wait,
It's really not.
is that better? A little.
Yeah.
So.
Why are we always looking for, like, the good light?
Because that's what in every video.
Like, where's the light at? Where is it?
Jackie and Drew tried to claim that I actually have had a sleepover before, which I don't think is fact.
Well, yes, you have. The thing is, you just had regular sleepovers that like people normally do. People don't normally pitch a tent in their living room.
That's what we're saying.
Okay.
Like, we've spent the night at Emile's house before. I told him that this is like
Wait, but pause.
Celebration
You guys have
sleepover.
spent the
Yeah.
night, but you haven't there haven't been activities.
But you don't have to have activities to have a slumber party.
At sleepovers when you guys were growing up, what were the activities?
Like, you ate and you watched a movie and you prank called people.
Right.
And you, like, did facials on each other.
Facials! Can we do facials?
You have facial stuff?
I have all the stuff. I have a full drawer of stuff.
Yeah, you do like nails and then you just
Oh, I should have told you guys to bring nail polish.
I have nail polish.
I have nail
Do you
polish.
really?
Yeah.
Well, I can't paint my nails though because they're gel and they're busted.
But how do I get it off when you're done?
I don't have nail
Yeah,
polish
I have nail
removers.
polish.
Oh, that's a hell no then.
That's a no.
Side note, pizza's here.
Yay!
Thanks, Jackie.
You're welcome. Pan crust.
Oh.
So now we got a little bit of
Take
everything.
this rock bottle down.
But yeah, you have to. Pan crust is the best, Drew. Pan crust is
Yo,
honestly
Diddy.
the best. Right, Diddy, give us jobs. Seriously. No, seriously.
Wait, okay, guys, before we eat,
Okay.
can we put our onesies on?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Okay, so we all have our onesies. Hold on.
Nakedness is aggressive.
Wait, where's the ooh, hey, wait a minute, wait.
Oh my
Rudolph
gosh,
the
you're so
red-nosed reindeer.
Hey, Harry.
Wait, it's about to turn into a different
I
night.
know, I was like, do I show a titty?
By the way, this is a women's large.
Oh snap! You might need to pull it up a little bit.
That might be too short for you.
There you go. Yeah.
There we go.
Oh my gosh! Wait, really quick.
tail.
Wait, how do we not see? Hold on. Wait, are we all in this shot?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I honestly got hot.
I'm hot too.
Too. Wait! Come over here really quick. Okay.
And I got the bigger one.
Emile got all of us reindeer onesies. Look how cute they are. Oh my god! I'm so happy.
Your reindeer
I'm
hot?
so happy.
Wait, do reindeer hot? What do they do?
Aww.
I feel like the counter is blocking it because
I think my head's too big. Mine doesn't go up as far as your guys' does. I just have a big head, that's all.
Oh, I thought you were doing that for style.
You have
I
braids
just
too.
have a
is that
big-
why?
No, I can never wear hats. It's my dad's fault.
Okay,
Oh, jeez.
on 3. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Ready?
Okay.
Let me move this in case I get on the counter. I said 2. I said a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, dear, had a very shiny nose.
It's like a light bulb.
And if you ever saw him, you would even say it like
Like a light bulb.
all of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names.
Like Pinocchio.
They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer game. That's messed up. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,
Is that how it goes? Oh, it's hot.
It's so hot. It is so hot.
Okay, we're gonna eat now.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a mukbang.
Oh my gosh. Okay, should we talk about something? Just
No,
take it off your
I need to
head.
take off everything.
Drew is struggling with the outfit.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, Parmesan cheese. Pepper flakes coming your way. Pepper flakes. Pepper flakes.
Oh, wow.
H. Pepper flakes. Pepper flakes. Welcome to Rudolph's mukbang.
Yes.
I don't know what we're doing.
Yeah, I don't know.
What do people do for that? They just talk
They
about
just talk
what?
about stuff and eat food.
Okay, but I've been watching some people and they smack their mouth a little too much.
That's my biggest pet peeve.
What's the?
Yeah, I mean, it's not even a pet peeve. I just, honestly, there's a syndrome for it when you can't stand the way that someone chews or eats. And it's really, actually, it's ruined my marriage because Nick can't sit next to me and eat because it just like, it's like nails on a chalkboard for me. It's really bad.
I don't like when people suck their fingers.
Oh, I suck my fingers.
I know.
Drew calls me out all the time. I be sucking hard too.
Remember that one time we were out eating and there was that girl, and I already knew that this was Drew's like really big pet peeve, and we're sitting there eating and the girl was literally like, I'm not even gonna do it. And I instantly looked at Drew and like we both started laughing, and it ended up being such a rude situation because they were like, why are you guys laughing? And I had to like,
she was trying to suck the skin off her finger.
And I like had to like change the conversation really quick so that she didn't know that we were talking about her. But.
Well, that mukbang was fun.
That was short and sweet.
Mm-hmm. That is aggressive. All right, guys. So we're in the tent right now. Look at the stars.
I'm blinding myself.
I need the light.
Here, honey.
Ooh, we should tell ghost stories with a flashlight.
That would be fun. Oh, but then if you do it, you have to do it down here. Look. Oh. But that's how you're supposed to do it. And this, like, once upon a time.
What are we about to do?
Tell ghost stories.
Yeah.
No, I was trying to end this video.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. End it.
Oh, I remember.
We'll end it.
I'm about to make some coconut shrimp.
Oh, yeah.
And then we're going to, we're going to play the Midnight Taboo. Okay guys, so this sleepover has truly been magical.
It has been really great.
I feel like we've learned a lot. I feel like we had fun.
We did.
Things were accomplished. Oh, by the way, I was supposed to be making gingerbread houses and doing a competition.
Did not go well.
And apparently we needed like some eggs to make the icing or something, so that didn't happen. So that was one of my activities.
That didn't happen. Billy said that didn't happen.
But I'm gonna go make some shrimp now. Thanks for watching.
I think you should end that on a stronger note.
I'm gonna do a serious outro.
Okay.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Jackie, I need you to get that light together. Oh, there. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. I'm gonna tell us a funny or a ghost story, or it's a ghost story. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a company where I used to work, and now it doesn't exist. I'm broke.
Light off.